Come test drive the 2014 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, cruise control, electroluminescent instrumentation, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.